Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to set up the face unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. The first thing you need to do is to open up your setting, scroll down towards lock screen and AOD. Tap on that, tap on screen lock and biometrics. And then from here, simply select the face recognition. If you haven't set up your PIN, password or pattern, you will be prompted to do so before you can continue this process. Now, for the sake of this video, I will be using the PIN. You need to enter the PIN for the first time, then enter the second time to confirm it, and then press continue. Now just tap on register, and then if you have glasses on, simply remove them so that it can easily register your face. And then place your face inside the circle and simply wait for your face to be scanned. Once your Face ID has been successfully added, you can go ahead and use it to unlock your phone. Now as you can see, I have just locked the phone and just unlocking the device using my Face ID. So basically this is the method through which you can register your Face ID on your device. I hope this method will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.